world is witnessing a new era of warfare, where artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role in enhancing the capabilities and performance of military forces. From autonomous weapons to cyber attacks, from information warfare to decision-making, AI is changing the nature, speed, and scale of conflict. In this video, we will explore how AI is transforming the military in three key areas: autonomous reconnaissance and combat systems, data analysis and cybersecurity, and logistics and maintenance. Stay tuned to find out how AI is reshaping the future of war. The rapid advancement of AI has enabled the development of various autonomous systems for military applications. These systems can operate without human intervention or supervision and can perform tasks that are too dangerous, complex, or tedious for human soldiers. Some of the most common types of autonomous systems are unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. These are aircraft that can fly in the air, like airplanes or drones, without a human pilot on board. They can be used for reconnaissance, surveillance, target identification, and strike missions. UAVs can use AI to navigate, communicate, and coordinate with other UAVs, as well as to identify and track potential targets. Some examples of UAVs are the MQ-9 Reaper, the RQ-4 Global Hawk, and the XQ-58 Valkyrie. Unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs. They can be used for logistics, patrol, mine clearance, and combat support. UGVs can use AI to sense, plan, and execute their tasks, as well as to avoid obstacles and threats. Some examples of UGVs are Rheinmetall's Mission Master SP and Themis. Unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs. There are also autonomous vehicles that can operate underwater without a human crew or controller. They can be used for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, mine countermeasures, and anti-submarine warfare. Some examples of UUVs are the Sea Hunter, the Orca, and the Glider. Seeing the rapid advancement of AI, the United Nations and other international organizations are working to create norms and rules for the use of AI and autonomous systems in military contexts. However, there is no consensus among countries on how to regulate and restrict these technologies. Some countries like Canada, Norway, and Switzerland are calling for a legally binding instrument to ban or limit autonomous weapons and to preserve human control over the use of force. Others, like the UK, France, Germany, and Japan, are using and developing autonomous systems, but with more caution and restraint, especially when it comes to lethal autonomy. While big countries like the US, China, and Russia are pursuing aggressive research and innovation in AI and autonomous systems, aiming to achieve a military edge over their rivals. Before we continue, I want to remind you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out and lets us know that you want to see more content like this. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Okay, let's continue. In the modern battlefield, information is power. The ability to collect, analyze, and share data from various sources can give a decisive edge to the military forces. However, the volume, velocity, and variety of data are also overwhelming and challenging to handle. This is where AI comes in handy, as it can help to process, exploit, and disseminate (PED) information in a faster, smarter, and more efficient way. By using AI to analyze the data, the military can gain comprehensive and accurate situational awareness, as well as a strategic and tactical advantage over the adversaries. However, AI can also be used to disrupt, deceive, and destroy the data and the systems that rely on it. As most of our modern technology is interconnected, cybersecurity is essential. In today's world, war is not only fought on the battlefield, but also in cyberspace. This is the virtual domain of information and communication, where computer networks and digital technologies are used to conduct offensive and defensive operations. Cyberwar can have serious consequences for the physical, psychological, and political aspects of a nation or an organization, as it can target and affect their infrastructure, their people, and their institutions. AI can play a vital role in cyberwar, as it can assist and oppose cyber attacks, such as hacking, jamming, and spoofing. By using AI to launch cyber attacks, the attackers can pursue their goals, such as espionage, sabotage, propaganda, or coercion, without being exposed, tracked, or identified. However, by using AI to prevent cyber attacks, the defenders can also safeguard their systems, data, and operations by using techniques such as firewall, antivirus, encryption, and authentication. Another key usage of AI in military operations is in logistics and maintenance, as they ensure the availability and readiness of personnel, equipment, and vehicles. AI can help to overcome these challenges by automating and optimizing logistics and maintenance processes, as well as enhancing the safety and efficiency of military personnel. Here are some examples of how AI can be used for logistics and maintenance in the military. Driverless resupply. Resupply is a critical task for any military force, as it provides the necessary resources and supplies for sustaining operations and missions. However, resupply can also be a dangerous and costly task, as it requires human drivers to transport goods and materials through remote or hostile locations, often under enemy fire or threat of ambush. AI can help to reduce the risks and costs of resupply by enabling driverless vehicles to deliver goods and materials autonomously. For example, the U.S. Army is testing the Autonomous Ground Resupply (AGR) program, which aims to develop and deploy an AI-powered vehicle that can autonomously deliver supplies to soldiers in the field. Similarly, the UK Ministry of Defence is also experimenting with an AI-powered drone that can autonomously deliver medical supplies, food, and water to troops in remote locations. Medical aid. Medical aid is a vital function for any military force, as it provides the necessary care and treatment for wounded or injured soldiers. However, medical aid can also be a challenging and limited function, as it depends on the availability and accessibility of medical personnel, equipment, and facilities. AI can help to enhance the quality and availability of medical aid by providing AI-powered emergency care and treatment for soldiers. For example, the U.S. Department of Defense is developing the Warfighter Analytics Using Smartphones for Health (WASH) program, which aims to use AI to analyze data from smartphone sensors and apps to detect signs of illness, injury, or stress in soldiers. The program can use AI to alert soldiers or commanders of potential health issues and provide recommendations for prevention or intervention. Similarly, the U.S. Army is exploring the use of AI-powered exoskeletons to help soldiers carry heavy loads, reduce fatigue, and prevent injuries. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance can also be a complex and resource-intensive function, as it requires regular inspection, testing, and servicing of equipment and vehicles, as well as the detection and correction of faults and failures. AI can help simplify and optimize preventive maintenance by enabling AI-enabled monitoring, diagnosis, and repair of equipment and vehicles. For example, the U.S. Air Force is using AI to monitor and diagnose the health and performance of aircraft engines and to optimize maintenance schedules and spare parts inventory. The AI system can use AI to analyze data from sensors and historical records and to provide alerts and suggestions for maintenance actions. Similarly, the U.S. Navy is using AI to monitor and diagnose the health and performance of ship systems and to provide alerts and suggestions for maintenance actions. We have explored some of the current and future applications of AI in the military, such as autonomous weapons, intelligence analysis, logistics, and surveillance. But how do you feel about AI being used in war? Do you think it will make war more humane or more dangerous? Share your opinions in the comments section below, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications for more videos on AI and its impact on society. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.